Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. What we have today is a 2011 Chevrolet Volt, and we are going to change the cabin air filter. I'm going to show you a couple little things that I do that you can do with some tools that you'll have laying around or stuff you'll have laying around that'll make this a little easier. Please forgive me because I am using my GoPro for the first time really to actually record, so let me know how it goes. So first off, of course, we're going to open the glove box, and I took all my crap out and threw it under the seat. So the next thing is to get this little tray out, or rubber mat, or whatever you want to call it, and it can be a son of a gun if you don't have any fingernails. So I just went into the house, got myself a little plastic knife, and that took care of that, and that came out. Now, if you look in here, you have to get this piece out, which up here is a little finger hold. You just take and you pull that out. You can toss that to the side. Now, the next thing is this little compartment here. What you got to do is there's a little tab up here. You got to get up into that tab, which can be a pain in the butt, because it's back in there. I'm going to change hands here. I'll be right back. So if I can get up in that tab, there we go. Oh, there, I pulled it up. I'll try and show it to you a little bit better. But here's that tab, and you got to pull that up. Now there's a tab on each side. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's one on each side, and they just snap out. So just give her a good pull. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at your arrow and see which way it points, because that is the way your air flows. So you definitely want to make sure you get that correct. Hopefully some bonehead didn't put it in the wrong way before, but that's the way it is. So then what I did was to pull this out. It can be a real pain. That's probably the best way to squeeze it, because you're doing it anyhow. But another thing that I did to make this a little easier was I just took the hook, and I got the hook, this little paper clip, bent it, and that'll help you pull it out if you need that, if you can't grab hold of it. So there it is. That's the way it is. We'll take that out. So this is the type of filter I bought off of Amazon for it. And then next, what I'm going to do is just make sure that they are the same size. Just a matter of setting them like that. And they are. It's dirty. It was time for a change. So let's get this back together. Get back in here. Put this in. I said it was light duty, but well, you know. All right, we'll close our trap door. And then we'll put this other door in. And we'll put this little tray, cover, mat, whatever you want to call it, back in. There you go. That's pretty much it. One of the things I did forget to mention, and I'm going to take this back apart because I forgot about it. I was going to do it. I usually write the date on my air filter once I get it in there. So then I have an idea of when I did change it. You know, you could put miles on it too, but I just go by date. So you do it every 1-2 years. That way when you get in there, you'll know for sure. But that's it. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic showing you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2011 Chevrolet Volt. This will work on a 2011 through 2015's Chevy Volts. So, okay, until next time, thanks for watching. And just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! Bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!